today's program, we are receiving a doctor with his two inters and a person with HIV. We will talk about an important issue of our time, the fight against AIDS. So, let's start with a question that must be answered by all. What are countries doing to achieve the Millennium Goal to eradicate AIDS until 2015? What do you think about AIDS nowadays, Dr. Rico?
A great advance in medicine was antiretrovirals, which are important for treating disease, prolong life for HIV positive, and reduce the chance of contamination. For example, in Africa, over 1 million people die each year, but with a full treatment, the chance of transmitting the virus reduced by 96% and prevents the transmissions. It is estimated that $1.5 billion per year are needed around the world to stop further contaminations of more children. But once that the donation that is being brought into countries is less than promising, how this country will fight AIDS? Another fact that requires attention is that AIDS is primarily transmitted through sex without a protection. So we have to promote and distribute condoms for the people. This means are small acts and help save many lives.
Okay, thank you, Rico.
You're welcome, Eduardo.
So, Anna, as a medicine student, what do you think about HIV?
I think that the key is education. The government should encourage people to participate in projects that inform about the disease. It is also important to do campaigns, mobilization, and AIDS prevention, with that the prejudice would decrease and people that have the disease would be more accepted by society. I think the therapy for patients with HIV is critical because some people don't accept the fact of having the disease and go through psychological problems.
Okay, thank you, Anna. So, Lucas, what society has to do to help this cause?
So, I think that society needs to be oriented about the symptoms and about seeking medical treatment. Some people don't know what to do, are desperate for diagnosis, and forget that today that and effective treatments and that is possible to live HIV positive. Taking care for health and encourage others to do the same is a good attitude. For example, do not share syringes and needles and prepare blood test and you take blood transfusion.
Okay, thanks everybody for the review.
You're welcome.
Now we'll talk with a woman in HIV field. Eloise, how is the life for the
People are being diagnosed with AIDS, but today with the treatment, people the treatment with the creation of generic drugs. Meanwhile, prejudice is still great. People think that only being around somebody with the virus may get the disease. And that is very sad fact in my life because some moved away when I told them about the disease. Thankfully, my family gives me full support. I hope they find a cure. I have faith that I will happen. AIDS is a very sad fact in my life.
O que está repetindo?
Peraí, tá bom, pode parar. Okay, Eloise.
You're welcome.
Surely, after our program today, we learn much more about AIDS and its impact on humanity. By the way, it's also important to remember that this disease is a responsibility of us all, and that the carrier should not perform this fight alone. The government must take a large part of its responsibility, and not only about AIDS, but also about other STDs, disseminate information, main symptoms, and medical treatment. Everyone should know about AIDS sincerely in schools and universities. This way, the goal will be more largely achieved. I am Eduardo, and this was one more World News. Thank you and good morning.